Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify robots.txt for dropshipping product pages, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To verify the robots.txt file for your dropshipping product pages, start by opening your web browser. Type in your store's URL, followed by /robots.txt at the end. For example, if your store is example.com, you should enter example.com/robots.txt. Press enter to load the robots.txt file. Once the file is open, look for lines that start with user agent. These lines indicate which web crawlers the rules apply to. Next, check for any disallowed directives following the user agent lines. These directives specify which sections of your site are off limits to crawlers. Make sure that your product pages are not listed under any disallowed directives. If your product pages are disallowed, they will not be indexed by search engines. You can also look for allowed directives to see if any specific pages are permitted for crawling. If your robots.txt file is not allowing crawlers to access your product pages, you can edit the file. To edit your robots.txt file, access your site through your hosting provider's control panel. Locate the robots.txt file in your website's root directory. Update the file to remove any disallow rules that affect your product pages. After making changes, save the file and recheck it in your browser. Once saved, use the Google Search Console to test the updated robots.txt file. Go to the Robots Testing tool in the Search Console. Enter your store's URL and click Test. The tool will show you if the crawlers can access your product pages. Make sure there are no errors in the testing results. If everything checks out, your product pages should be visible to search engines. Verify your changes by monitoring your site's indexing status over the next few days. If necessary, update the content on your product pages to improve indexing and search visibility. Ensure you regularly check your robots.txt file, especially after any site updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.